That was so good, dude.
I know.
Yeah, I didn't
Stupid
understand it.
Americans.
I mean, that's what we are. We're all dumb,
my
fat,
God.
and lazy.
How the hell did
Best
you...
joke I've heard all day.
Not a joke, that's the joke.
I got both security guards, by the way, so just watch out.
No shit. You got
might
both
not have
of them
much
through
vote.
my taunt. I taunted
What?
him and he still went to you.
He was on 9 line, and
I don't know.
He just
I mean,
wants to
in the
give you
middle of the
love.
room. I taunted him, he looked at me, and then ran away.
He looked you in the eyes and said, "Fuck you."
He did. I felt so terrible earlier. I tanked a fight, and people were dying left and right, and I was like, "Why is all this happening?" And I was like, you know, is my threat turned off?
Can
What's
somebody
going
get that
on?
bomb bag?
And the fucking healer that was with us was doing
No
like
more
10k
bombs on the left
HPS.
side.
Come on, blow up that door right.
How's your guys' bellows looking?
33.
He's close, but our door's
He's
not
good. We can.
Burn
We.
him. Burn him. Door's gonna shut
Blow up that
now.
door. Okay, we're good.
Move him out of the shield.
I.
Whoever put that rupture there, that's a really bad spot. That's good, Hell's Hunter. Alright, everybody to the slag. Pop your 3 minutes and kill this primal. You've got 10 seconds to kill this thing. Good, move to the next.
Next one's on.
Alright, pop. Pots, let's go.
4, 3, 2, 1.
can you move those out just a little bit out of the
10
Yeah,
seconds.
they don't affect the.
Spread out.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Good. Alright, let's transition to the third. Don't kill each other.
If we can whoever has the thing, just run over on top of the guy, and a rogue can smoke bomb and run him right over.
Couple slags, get over here.
Come on, 9-9. Somebody.
Kill the lower slag. Onto the primal.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good, 10 seconds. Much better. On to the last. Good job. Bring that slag that's under half health on top. Interrupt him. Bring him there. He's there. Kill him.
Hemming. Save. Trank.
Everybody on the Pribal
Down.
Malice now. Get a lust out. Spread out for volatile fire. Push it,
Trank.
guys. 10 seconds.
Ezra on me.
Range to the back of the room. Tanks come to where the bellows operator normally is. AoE the ads. Range farther back. All the way back. Tanks back up. Tanks, you gotta move towards us.
Further to the back.
There you go. Get the melts along the walls. Okay, our first melt is out. Can't even notice it. Stay where you are, tanks. Everybody should be on the boss. Next melt is out. Moon, get to the back of the room. Good. Range, you should be stacked from kind of where we are now. Get it to the back of the room when it comes out.
So let's taking big damage. Okay, starting moving up.
Range, slide up with us.
All these big heals. I'm gonna be taking big damage.
I have the.
Melt on Kieran. Watch your back, ranged. Do not let that melt catch up to you.
Let's start moving them up. Yep, thanks.
Perfect, right there. Don't move. Guys, if you have melt, either take it to the corner or take it back to the ones in the back. That's on you, heal. Okay, range, move up on Kieran right now. Need to get ahead of that
Moving up
melt.
a bit.
Stop moving.
Nice fucking melt, Cracker Jack.
Oh my god, look at how much health he's at, dude.
There you go. Shut up. Okay, range, move up to Kieran, who has a fixed state against the gate where we came in. Melt, stay right where you are. That's perfect. Good. Range, stay where you are. Don't even fucking need battle reses.
Guys, it's a wipe. Wipe it up. Wipe it up. Stand in slag. Let's go.
Oh my god.
That
Great Monday,
Legs.
was
Legs.
flawless. I'm proud of you guys. That shit was fucking
1 second.
flawless.
Hold on.
He is
Is that you
Sharda.
fapping?
No, I was
Not like
clapping.
that.
I have the clap if you didn't notice.
Clapping and clap.
He has the clap.
Congratulations on fucking rerolls.